Hi, this is Betty Hurley Dasgupta, and this is a tutorial for creating your resource page for numerical methods. So I'm here at the dashboard. I got here through going through Moodle. You may want to actually have your Mahara page as a separate, have Mahara and both Moodle open at the same time, but it's really up to you. So what you'll want to do is to do a page creation, similar to when you created your page for your journal. And so you would click on Portfolio, and you could either click on Create Page, or you may actually want to copy a page I've already started. So you can click on Copy a Page and search for Numerical, and you'll see the resource page. So you can go ahead and copy that. And it takes you right to the title. I'm going to remove the copy of and click on Save. Okay, so it takes you right into the editor. Now there are a number of things that you can do right away. One is if you've copied this, it's already in 2 columns. You can certainly edit the layout. So you can click on Edit Layout, and you can choose all different possibilities for your resource page. You may want to play around with one of these where you've got more room for a title area if you want, but really it's your choice. I'm going to stay with the 2 columns that I have. I usually like that. You can see I've already put in profile information, so you can edit that. I believe it automatically changes it to your profile information, but and if you want to get rid of that, you can just go ahead and click on the garbage can, and that will go away. The one on the right here is created by doing a text box, and I will show you that one again because you'll probably be using that one a lot. So what you do is just go up to text box. You can see that one's already on the top because it's quite popular, and bring it over and notice as you saw before that you get the little shaded area with the dotted lines, and release, and you'll get your box where you can put in the information. So I'll just type on here more resources, and here's something for module 5. Now you'll note in your directions for adding to the resource page that it will actually tell you, we'll create another text box, and we'll ask you to give it a particular title. That's so the instructor has a little bit more, it's a little more easy for the instructor to find your work. After you put in whatever your resource is, and note that you can also do attachments, and I've got quite a few files here I can choose from. You won't have as many, but you can actually browse and take something off of your computer, or you can select from anything you have already preloaded into Mahara. I'm going to go down to the end. I'm not going to attach anything, and click Save. So there's the text box. As I said, you can click on the sprocket here to edit that. You can delete it any time. Another thing you may want to do is if you have a particular a video that you want to share, and so this is through video, and I did that through clicking on External, and then you get the choices, and then you see different things. So external feed would be like an RSS feed. You may want to do that if you have, for example, a Digo account or another blog that you can feed from, anything that allows a feed. External media is very popular, and so you can click and drag that over, and here you can see all the different things where you just need to do a URL, or if you have embed code, you can do it from any of these. And you can give a title to that resource, and then provide the URL or embed code, whichever it says here you need. I'm going to just exit from that because I've already done that. You've already created a journal page, and you are going to make this a public page to save, or at least to save with your class. So I will not recommend putting journals on this kind of a page. And those are probably the main things that you'll want to do. Text boxes are the main thing. Adding external media, putting a little information from your profile. And then you can go up to Share Page. And initially, you can either do the secret URL, which you already know how to do, or you can share down here with me. So you would search for my name here. I can put another person's name in there so you can see how that works. And he's a co-developer of this course. So you can click on that name. And, oops, you don't want to click on that name. I'm sorry. You want to add, click on the plus sign to add. And you can see he's added above. You can also, and we are going to do this for this course because that will be a good way for you. In the last module you are going to be sharing your page, is there will be a group created in here, and you can just share with your group. So you can select that and share with your group. But we're done with that for now, and click Save. But do remember that when you create a resource page, only you can see it initially, and you either have to create a secret URL, which you can see on this page is there as a possibility, or click on Edit Access, or click on Share Page when you're editing the page, and share that way if you want to share with a group. So, and you can see how the page is right here that I have created and made a copy of that I'm sharing with Dennis Harms. So go right now and at least make a start on your resource page, or you're welcome to certainly look at the video again, and enjoy. Take care and be sure to lock out.